Inequalities. First you need to know the notation. This means greater than. This means greater than or equal to. This means less than. This means less than or equal to. Combined as an inequality, this means x is less than 4. This means y is greater than 7. This means z is less than or equal to 10. This means t is greater than or equal to -3. If you came across the following road sign, you could write the inequality for speed as s is less than or equal to 40. Meaning you can't go faster than 40 miles per hour. If you saw the following sign at an amusement arcade, you could write the following inequality for height as h is greater than or equal to 48. An open circle means the number is not included. So this represents the inequality x is less than 4. If the circle is coloured, that means the number is included. So this inequality is x is greater than or equal to -2. You can also have an inequality between 2 points. So this one represents the inequality between -1, which is included, and 3, which is not included. We follow the same procedure used for solving equations, except that when we multiply or divide by a negative number, the inequality is reversed. For example, 4 is greater than -2, multiplied by -2 gives -8 is less than 4. To solve the following, use exactly the same rules as you would for an algebraic equation. So, solving A. Subtract 1 from both sides. Divide both sides by 2. So the answer is x is greater than 2. So x can be any value greater than 2. Solving B. First subtract 5 from both sides. Now divide by -3. Remember, because you're dividing by a negative number, the inequality is reversed. So x is greater than or equal to 4/3. So x can be any value greater than or equal to 4/3. In this example, you have two inequalities. Treat them separately. So the first one is less than 2x plus 1. Subtract 1 from both sides. So you get 0 is less than 2x. Divide by 2. So 0 is less than x. The second one, 2x plus 1 is less than 9. Subtract 1 from both sides. So you get 2x is less than 8. Divide by 2. So x is less than 4. Now you can put the two inequalities back together. So x lies between 0 and 4. That could be represented on a number line. The circles are empty because 0 and 4 are not included. Given that x lies between -1 and 5 and y lies between -3 and 1, find A, the greatest possible value of x subtract y, and B, the least possible value of x squared plus y squared. In A, we want the biggest x value, which is 5, subtract the most negative y value, which is -3, which will give us 8. In B, we want the smallest x value, which is 1, plus the smallest y value, which is 0. 1 squared plus 0 squared is 1. In this example, x plus 1 is less than 2x, is less than x plus 13. X must be an integer. Solve as normal. So x plus 1 is less than 2x. Therefore, 1 is less than x. So 2x is less than x plus 13. Therefore, x is less than 13. Bring them both back together. So x lies between 1 and 13. But 1 and 13 are not included. So the possible answers here are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.